Hello everyone. Today I will explain to you this question. Question is minuend minus subtrahend is equal to. Option is sum, difference, product and division. So student, today I am going to explain this question. Student, look at this question written here. 5989 minus 2348. Student, we have to subtract it. But before that I want to tell you this is bigger number. 5989 is bigger number and 2348 is smaller number. The bigger number is called minuend. The bigger number is called minuend. 5989 is minuend and the smaller number is called subtrahend. Smaller number is called subtrahend. So 2348 is subtrahend. Okay. So this is minuend and this is subtrahend. Now we are writing this question like this. You can see. Student, written here minuend minus subtrahend. Okay. Now subtract it. 9 minus 8 is 1. 8 minus 4 is 4. 9 minus 3 is 6. 5 minus 2 is 3. Children, so this is difference. So this is difference. Answer is difference. Okay. Children, when we subtract a smaller number from a bigger number, the result we get is called the difference. When we subtract a smaller number from a bigger number, the result we get is called the difference. So written here, minuend minus subtrahend is equal to difference. Is that clear, student? So correct option is difference. Okay. So we have to take difference. Okay. Now second question is 397 minus 218 plus 265. Student, in this question, first we have to add both these numbers, 397 and 265. Children, now you must be thinking that why not add this number? Now you must thinking that why not add this number with this number, right? So therefore we cannot add this number minus 218 because before put the sign of minus, right? And there is no mark. And there is no mark before this number 397. So it is taken as a plus sign. Okay. So this number 397 and this number 265. First we will add. Okay. Let's add. 7 plus 5 is 12. 1 carry. 1 9 plus 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 6 right here. 1 carry. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 662. Now 662 we have to write here. 662 I have written here. Okay. Now subtract this number minus 218. written here minus 218. Okay. Now subtract it. 2 cannot cut 8, so it will borrow from 6. 6 gave 1, become 12, and 6 become 5. 12 minus 8 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. And 6 minus 2 is 4. So answer is 444. So student, which is correct? Option A is correct. Okay, 444. Now look question number 3. From the sum of 4,210 and 6,780, subtract 3,000. In this question, first we have to add both these numbers. Okay. Now add it. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 8 is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10,990. Okay. Now 10,919 right here. Now we will subtract the 3,000. Now we will subtract the 3,000 from the answer that has come. Okay. 0 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. And 0 cannot cut 3. So it will borrow from 1. 1 gave to 0. Become 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. Answer is 7,990. So children, in this question, which option is correct? Option D. Okay. D is correct answer. 7,990 is answer. Now look question number 7. The sum of 135 and 251 rounded up the nearest 100 is. Option is 390, 400, 386, 116. So children, in this question, first we will add both number 135 and 251. Now add it. 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 5 is 8. 1 plus 2 is 3. 386. Children, now we will rounding this number to the nearest hundreds. Children, as I have already taught you, the method of rounding of numbers to the nearest tens and hundreds and them estimating the sum. So children, please pay attention once again. 386. 386. When we round off a number to the nearest hundreds, we look at the digit in tens place. Which number is tens place? 8. And if the digit in the tens place is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, so we will not change the number of the 100 place. Okay. But if there are 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, so the number of 100 place will be changed. Listen once again. If the digit in the tens place is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, so we will not change. We will not change this number of the 100 place. Okay. But if there are 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, if there are 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, so the number of 100 place will be changed. Clear, student? That is, one number will increase in it. So 3 plus 1 is 4. One number will increase in it. 100 place, one number will increase in it. Okay. So 386, in this number we will first look at the number of tens place. Tens place, whether it is more than 5 or less. So it's more than 5. 8 is more than 5. What do we do? If there is more than 5, we will change the 100 place number. That is, we will write by increasing a number in the 100 place. So it is 4. Here is 4. In tens place and ones place, in tens place and one place, we will put zeros because we have to rounding this number in the hundreds. So which answer is correct? So which answer is correct? 400. Option B is correct answer. 400. Clear, student?